Hi everybody, so I just shot my little skater haul video. I got some shoes in there, so now I'm gonna show you the unboxing and on the feet, show you guys the deets, what they're like. Stay till the end if you want to see the preview, the close up, and the little montage type thing. Yeah, so today we got some Nike SBs. I have not gotten any of these to review yet. I haven't had some SBs in a minute. SBs are fire. I want some dunk SBs to skate in. But today, what we got are some Nike SB Ishod. A very, very interesting skater. He's got some sick colorways on some dunks. He's got his own model now, this newer version, this newer shoe, this newer release. And I got the colorway Pacific Blue, Border Blue, Navy, in a size 10.5 because they said it ran a bit tight. So, you know, I gotta size up. I gotta stick to my more truer size, my bigger size. I got a short foot, but that thing is fat. Like, it's like chunky. And like it's thick foot. Anyways, and so it's colorway 401. Yo, there we go. Retail 135. Full retail for the bad boy. Because you know we went to quality for our feet. Open it up and you got the classic Nike SB little trippy little abstract swirly paperweight in green and white. So it's interesting how Nike SB has moved on to this like very nice, like purple box. It's very like crisp, very shiny, very clean. Nike and the swoosh name are blah 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 blah. So yeah, Nike SB the box. I like the white stripes. Like it's not bad the design for it now. I like it. It used to be like the turquoise box. I think they might have switched out from that. I guess I don't know if they still do both of them or what that situation is. Anyways, I was talking about the paper. Pretty cool little abstract. Woo, swirly. Now we move into the shoe. Here is the left shoe. Got that like baby light blue on the bottom, that sexy blue. So nice. And then you go up and you see the gum on the, like, because it's like a normal like sole, but then you got like the actual gum with the React. It has React technology in it. I did not even notice that. I don't even think it said that in the review. So this shoe's got some React foam in it, I think, which is comfortable as hell from what I've heard. I'm not too interested in the foam myself, but like what I've heard, it's comfy, and this is a flat shoe, so I need that flatness with the React. That's gonna be a nice combination. So it's kind of like this translucent-y, like darkish, like I guess that's the border blue or something. Like I don't even know. Like it's a translucent navy. I don't know what color it is. It's some translucent-y like bluish greeny color with some gray bordering on the top with an embossed Nike SB pop out logo on there, popping out a little bit so it can show you what the action's about. You can see it more, a little bling. People can be like, what's that? I think it might be a little bit of recycled product on this gray. Also, you can see a little speckles throughout, a little confetti, little birthday cake action going on throughout the shoe there. And like I was saying in my other video, it's inspired kind of like off like skate, off basketball, off a mix of everything. So you can see the reverse swoosh on the back, a very popular item from Nike Renew, like the Elevates and some basketball shoes like that. Like I think Kyrie's even do it, or like LeBron's do. I don't even know. It's just like a basketball thing. So you got that back look to it, a higher heel to it. It's got a little bit of cushion, but it's still got that light framework. Ishod on a little grippy loopy tongue thing. What do they call? I forget the name of them. And you got a little bit of mesh on the heel as well. So you got a lot going on with that suede. That blue suede through the whole shoe is very, very nice. You got the gray and okay, it's so good. You got that gray embroidered swoosh on the on the heel, I can't speak, on the toe box, and you got the breathing hole. You see a nice stitching, nice stitch up. Nothing really too wrong with here. A little bit of fuzz on the stitch over here, but nothing wrong with the stitching much. You got that light blue, lighter blue laces on there. Like it's a nice Pacific blue, I think you call it, or that's the border blue. And then that's where the, like this like airflow framework starts. Some unique. This is the Ishod little special touch. He's got this airflow framework, so because he's like, man, my feet are sweaty as hell, so he put this thing on to try and add some air ventilation, and I hope it works out. I'm gonna let you guys know how that feels when I'm skating in them in the end of this video. That's why I'm gonna be waiting a while till I got my new board so I can test these out and cruise them for the first time for you guys and give it like a review cruise for you at the end of the video. So stay for that, or I'll make it a separate video probably at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that. We even got this little wavy thing on the gray. I forgot about that. I guess the wavy kind of it makes it a full, it's a full like a full triangle thingy here, whatever you call that thing. Got some swiggly embroidery between this little like plastic inlets at the top. I guess that's the, like, we got 4 of them around there. I guess that's to keep it real secure where you're really tightening it up, you know. It's even got like a double inlet inside. I guess they really want to make sure like your laces are not coming apart. You're like really pulling them, tugging them on, tightening them, doing all kind of crazy shiz. You want to make sure that they're secure, so you can see it's like you got like some little extra inlets in there. That's like crazy, man. Like I never seen like something like that. It's pretty cool. I'll probably change the lacing a little bit. I like to move it up a little bit so I get my fat foot secured in there. Got that mesh with the a little bit of like fluffy suede type thing, and then gray embroidery, check, and Ishod. So we got that Nike collab. Nike Ishod got his own model now. After he did that work with the dunks, you know, he's like, it's my time to shine. Got the Ishod in orange and on the sole. That's fresh and fire. And you got the orange check in that fire, nice little cute orange colorway. I love it. I am so excited to rock the fuck out of these shoes. Damn, bro. So we got the, just took the, which one did I just take out? The right one? Okay, look at these. Yeah, see, the right one is a lot better on the stitching. It doesn't have that white all over, like, up, like, right here. You see that, like, issue with the stitching and stuff, but that's not something noticeable. That's just me looking close at it as a collector, as an artiste of defeat, of a person of interest, of design. Woo, it's even got that like whoa, trippy, wavy. It kind of like spirals in at some points. Wavy design, tread on the bottom. So we're gonna be surfing and swerving in the lanes on the highway, 3 a.m. You know what I do. So let's put them on the feet. We'll see how they go. Yeah. Hope you guys like the unboxing. Let's put them on. Okay, but I'm gonna have to change. Oh wait, no, I'll just move it up, right? Or I'll move it to the low one. I think I'll try this lace for now. You know, it's all about experimenting. I wish these came with like orange laces or something. They didn't come with any other laces. That's bunk. Like some orange laces would look fire on these or something. Maybe I'll have to get some. But you can see it's got a chunkier tongue too for that support. Okay, so when I slide it in, it's tight around the sides, but a lot of toe room, so they're definitely long enough. It's just like, so I think they're perfect. It's like, I could have even probably, if I stuck to a 10, no, it would have been way too tight on the top and stuff and on the sides because my foot's so fat. But there's a lot of toe room still, which is weird. So it's just like a tight yet long fit, that's the word. It's even got this like mesh kind of like terry cloth, which I don't know about that design, like this terry cloth around the heel and stuff. Because I've heard, like, I was talking to this girl at work, and she was saying, like, oh, I hate my shoe because of that. Because it makes her foot all, like, sweaty, and it stays there, and it's gross. So if this guy didn't like the sweat, why do you use this terry cloth material? Shouldn't he have used something that's, like, not, like, sweat-absorbing, like, or, like, something more wicking? Like, I don't even know. Leather wouldn't really work. I think they should have stuck to, like, more mesh. I don't know why they use this terry cloth material inside. That might be the downfall of this shoe, maybe. I might have found the flaw. That terry cloth might not be good for, like, my ankles are gonna be fucking hot as hell. Why would they put terry cloth? Like, maybe, like, if I'm boarding in the fall or something, but isn't this guy, like, don't boarders go to, like, LA and stuff? Isn't it hot? why with this. Oh my god, is my one foot fat as hell or what? This other shoe was like way smaller, bro. They're same size. My one foot's just fat, I guess. But yeah, I was saying, like, I don't know about that style choice. And suede is always a weird style choice too, because that shit just gets destroyed. I guess, like, some people just want their shoes to get destroyed and make it look cool, like a skating shoe is supposed to do. But yeah, they're tight on, like, the top. Like, this area where my hand is tight. But there's so much toe room. My toes are only, like, here. So that's weird. Could have even sized up, I guess. I don't even know. I guess or it's just not the fit for me. So I guess I won't be getting more of them unless I really love skating in them. That's pretty much that, I guess, for my first thoughts. I think they're sick, though. Legit. They are so fire. Damn, they're comfortable, though. They're a bit like squishy, even. It's kind of nice, except they're kind of like, hopefully it doesn't move, my foot doesn't move around too much. I guess that's why they're so tight. And I do feel like that airflow. I think I can feel it waving through. Maybe it's just in my head. I don't know. I stayed till the end for the preview. I wish they were reflective. If the heel was reflective, that'd be sick.